Alright, so the car won't start, but I hooked it up and they say to start within 30 seconds, so let's do that now. Alright. Isn't this fun? Anyways. So actually, let me read more of this fun book here. No lights buzzing. Turn of the vehicle to start position after vehicle is started. 1, 2, and... Look at that! Alright, now what do we do? Remove the jumper cable after the vehicle is started. Charging self... Okay, well that's... This is the first time I used it. There's a little sticker I left here on the... Oh, it might be on the thing. It was June of 2020 that I bought this device. A self-starter. And, I don't know why the battery went out, though. That's a bigger problem, because this is a new battery. A year ago is when we switched out the alternator and battery. So I don't know what shenanigans are afoot. The lights were... I don't know. We'll see. But it started. So, that's good. Let's see here. So, the belts are working, so that's good, because sometimes if the belt is not working, the battery won't be charged, but I see both of them working. So, anyway, so let's remove the, right. Alright, so this was at 98%. Let's get back in here. So this was at 98%. The indicator here, it became 98 like after I turn it on more, and now it's 94. So it's you could use this so many times. I used to have like an old lead battery one or whatever it was, and those things were so annoying because you could maybe use it once if you're lucky, you know. And then right, so I got a good one. All right, we finally tested it almost 5 years later. It works, and hold on. There we go. And we'll recharge it, I guess. But we're off to the store. Off to the store for now. Let's put it here. My knee is just right. Oh, that's fine. So let's see. We'll see. We'll go to the store and see what happens there. But hey, we can boost ourselves out of that situation too. Where's the? I had a little Post-it note here. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, so I guess that's it. We'll see what happens. And right.